Okay, now let us start with the 11th problem. So water at room temperature is placed in a freezer. Okay, just a moment. My pen is not active. Just a minute. Let me take my pen. Right. Okay. Let me switch on the timer also. Right. So water at room temperature is placed in a freezer. The specific heat capacity of ice, water is twice the specific heat capacity of ice. Sea water is equal to 2 times the specific heat capacity of ice. Okay. Assume that the thermal energy is transferred from water at a constant rate, which means what? Power is equal to constant energy per time, right? Which graph shows the variation. Now, if you look at this graph, what is difference here? See, higher temperature to lower temperature, which means what? There is a cooling happening or there is a freezing happening over here. So, it's a cooling happening over here, right? You see, this slope and this slope are equal. See, there appear to be parallel lines over here. This slope and this slope are different. Okay, so this slope is not equal to this one. This and this slope are almost the same. This and this are same, right? And this are different, right? Now, if you look at these two slopes, what does this slope indicate? This gives you delta T by delta T, right? T is temperature, T is time here. So, both of them. So, here, say for example, here what's happening over here? This could be more than a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, this could be delta T by delta T. Here what is happening is, you see it takes a longer time for you. Okay, now what we will do is, let us take E equal to MC delta T. Now, if I divide this by T, I get E by T is equal to MC into delta T divided by delta T. I will make this delta T here also. Now, what is E by delta T? Energy by time, which is power, right? So, power should be equal to MC into delta T by delta T. As we know, it is slope. I will write this as slope only. Slope only, okay, for our clarification. So, what I will do is I will write slope thus should now be equal to P by MC. That's what we get over here. Now, what is being known to us? Now, let us write. So, slope for, okay, let me write slope as the letter M, right? Slope M of water is equal to P divided by M into C of water. And the slope for ice is equal to P divided by M into C of ice. Don't get confused with this M and MW here. Okay, these two are two different things. Okay, this is mass, this is slope over here. Now, what I will do is, I will write M ice to be equal to P divided by, or maybe what do we know about M ice and M this one? So, here you see CW equal to C 2 times C ice, right? So, I will write this as equal to P divided by 2MC. I can't write here. Okay, I will do one thing. I will just erase this. Okay, or maybe I will just strike it off here. And this P divided by 2MC ice over here. Okay, I have written the slopes in a similar way. Or in other words, comparing these two, I can now write M water is equal to M ice divided by 2, which means what? Water slope is lesser, ice slope is larger. Which graph signifies this? Here you see this one here, definitely the two slopes are not equal. So therefore, this and this are incorrect. Okay, between these two we need to decide. Now, water slope, see, water slope is lesser here. This slope is much higher over here, right? Okay, so therefore, this could be half of it. Maybe we do not know exactly, but definitely this slope is higher than this slope. So therefore, answer B is the right one. And here it does not follow this relationship. So therefore, this is incorrect. I hope you understand this, or otherwise you can always put me in the comments. I can make a detailed video on this. Okay, let us move on to the 12th problem.